Today we're in the shed. We've got a breakdown. It's an emergency. We've got to do it right now. We've got our computer chair has snapped off on the handle here, and the whole chair's fallen apart. I nearly come a buster, so we got to get it. We got to get this fixed. Alright, so we've got our broken chair here. It's basically just split off where the bolts are. So what we're looking at doing is I've got a piece of brass here. It's just an offcut 3mm brass. So what my thoughts are is we'll just cut a piece off to length, get a few screws, drill some holes, and screw it on. I'll probably do it to the other side too. If this side's gone, then the other side's going to probably fly to pieces as well. So we'll cut this to length, and we'll organise some screws into here. So we'll do a grouping of screws here, we'll do a grouping of screws across this area, and then we'll do a grouping of screws here so that we spread the weight across the three areas, and then we'll go from there. We've got our plates marked out now, so we've got all our little marks on there. I've just marked out with a pencil, nothing critical on this job, so I've just marked it out. Now you can see the gaps there where the original bolts are going to go. Obviously we can't screw into there, so we're going to dodge those little areas there, and I've just got a basic little pattern there that'll put it enough screws in there that it will spread the weight again. Now I'm going to use some little tapered head screws there, little Phillips head screws there. They're timber screws, but they'll go into plastic easy enough, and they'll hold. There's enough screws in there that they'll hold, so that's what we're going to use there. I'll countersink the plate so that these screws sit flush and no one's going to catch their hands on it or fingers on it or anything like that. So let's get these plates drilled up so we can screw this chair back together. Right, there's our plates, there's our little holes all chamfered up. Now I've given it a bit of a rub with some, what do you call it, 3M Scotch Brite stuff, just to give it a bit of a shine. Everything's deburred, so we'll get over to the chair and start screwing these on. Alright, this shear's all fixed. I knocked the broken bits back together and did the screws back up so it's not loose anymore. We've screwed all these screws in here. Man, she's solid as a rock. Now the other side here is exactly the same. Now this wasn't broken, this side, but this is more of a just in cases. So that repair now should, well, really outlast the chair. So anyway, if you like what we're doing here at DM Engineering, click that subscribe button down there, and we'll see you next video.